Lenovo has recently announced its new 15.6-inch laptop at the NXT BLT conference. The new Lenovo Thinkpad P52 laptop comes with VR-ready features and sports top-end specifications. To give you an insight, this new laptop comes with an 8th generation Intel Xeon Hexa-core processor, an Nvidia Quadro P3200 GPU, and up to 6 TB of storage. It has as high as up to a whopping 128 GB of RAM. These specifications make the Lenovo Thinkpad P52 a killer choice for someone who wants to develop VR apps or is in the work of 3D graphic designing or video editing. Although the price tag of this laptop hasn't been revealed by Lenovo, it's expected to be revealed in the upcoming month. Speaking of the display, the Thinkpad P52 sports a 15.6-inch 4K display with 400 nits of top brightness along with being a touchscreen. There is also an alternate HD resolution display to choose from with 300 nits of top brightness and 72% NTSC color gamut as well. Like the case is with the entire Thinkpad P series, this laptop also comes with a basic black design despite sporting killer performance. For wired connectivity, there are 3 USB 3.1 ports, a Type A and 2 Type C ports also supporting Thunderbolt 3. There is an HDMI 2.0, a mini display port 1.4 and an SD card reader as well. The other options include Gigabit Ethernet, dual band AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5 and an optional Category 9 4G LTE. Speaking of dimensions, the Thinkpad P52 measures to be 377 x 252 x 25 mm, and for the weight, the machine measures a hefty 2.5 kilograms. To satisfy every kind of developer, the company will ship the model with 5 choices for operating systems, namely the Windows 10 Pro for workstations, the Windows 10 Pro normal version, Windows 10 Home, Ubuntu or even Red Hat Linux. Lenovo Vantage and a trial of Microsoft Office 2016 will also come pre-installed with the machine. Lastly, the Thinkpad P52 will also sport an infrared camera for facial recognition and checking in through Windows Hello, along with an additional 720p webcam for high quality streaming and other purposes. So that's it for this video and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.